Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to remove Zelle from your bank account in 2025. If you're looking to unlink Zelle for security reasons, to switch to another payment app, or just to simplify your banking setup, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember that bank policies can vary, so double-check with your specific bank if needed. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your bank's mobile app or logging into their website. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Think Wi-Fi or a trusted network to protect your info. Once you're in, head over to the Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by a gear icon or your account name. Next, look for the Linked Services, Payments, or External Accounts option. This is where banks list integrations like Zelle. Tap on that, and you should see Zelle listed if it's connected. Select Zelle from the list. There might be a button that says, Remove, Unlink, or Disconnect. Go ahead and click it. You'll probably get a confirmation prompt, so read it carefully and confirm your action. This step might require additional verification, like your password, a PIN, or even a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. After you've confirmed, Zelle should be successfully removed from your account. To be thorough, double-check by going back to the Linked Services section or trying to send a payment through Zelle. If it's unlinked, you won't be able to access your bank account from it anymore. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, contact your bank's customer support. They're there to help and can guide you through any glitches. Wrapping this up, removing Zelle is a simple way to take control of your financial tools. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.